Welcome back. Costa Rica progressed to the pre-quarterfinals of FIFA World Cup for the first time in 24 years after their 1-0 victory over Italy on Friday night. This result meant that former world champions England were knocked out in the group phase itself. France thrashed Switzerland by 5-2 and stormed into the last 16 stage. In another match, Ecuador came from behind to beat Honduras 2-1 and kept their knockout chances alive. Sporting Club de Goa, under the banner of School Community Grassroots Program, have adopted Pope John High School for football development. The Capem-based school was the second institution to tie up with SCG this week, following Kurtorim's St. Xavier Institute High School.
Think big, believe big, act big, and the result will be big, is the powerful message from the Pope John High School in Capem. And Sporting Club de Goa have now provided a big opportunity for all the students of this school in the form of a tie-up under the School Community Grassroots Initiative. The football tie-up between the two organizations will ensure the school's age group teams will be provided with quality kit and equipment, besides the recipe for success on the field. Bureau Report, Prudent.
And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.